Hello dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject mathematics in standard 6th. In this video, we will continue with our chapter number 3, integers. We will study subtraction of integers. We will solve questions from practice set 8. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also to get my recent videos. So children, in this video we will be learning the subtraction of integers. We will see how to subtract one integer from another. So for that we should know this important sentence or statement. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. To subtract means what? We will have to add the opposite number in that first number. For example, one example is given 8 minus 6. We have to subtract minus 6 from 8. That means what? We will have to add the opposite number of minus 6 in 8. That means what? We will have to add 8 plus 6. Okay. To subtract minus 6 from 8 means what? We will have to add opposite number of 6 in 8. I hope you all are understanding. You all will be understanding from these examples also. These are 4 examples which are given to us. Okay. So let us see to subtract a number. To subtract a number, that means what? Means to add its opposite number. This rule you have to keep in mind, so it will be easy to understand the sums. Now let us see these sums given in the textbook. First sum is minus 9 minus 4. We have to subtract minus 4 from minus 9. That means what? We will have to add opposite of minus 4 in minus 9. So minus 9 plus 4. Opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. And in minus 9 we will have to add its opposite. So it will become minus 9 plus 4. So minus 9 plus 4, we all know different sign. When different signs are there, we will have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number and give the sign of bigger number. This rule we have seen in our previous video also. Now let us see this second example, minus 4 minus 9. We have to subtract minus 9 from minus 4. That means what? We will have to add the opposite of minus 9 in minus 4. That means minus 4 plus. Opposite of minus 9 is plus 9. So it will become minus 4 plus 9. And then different sign means we will have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one, 9 minus 4, and answer will be plus 5, because for answer we give the sign of bigger number. So if it becomes difficult to remember this rule, what we will have to remember? We will have to remember that when two signs come close to each other in such a way, we will have to combine these two signs and we will have to make a single sign. Okay. So for this first example, 9 minus 9 minus 4, what I will suggest to you all, minus 9 minus 4. So when these two signs come close to each other, when two signs are together, what we will have to do? We will have to combine this sign and we will have to make one single sign. So it will become, this first minus 9 we write as it is, and minus plus, we should make one sign. We should combine these two signs and make one sign and then write this 4. So minus write plus and then write this 4, and then you can write the answer. 9 is having minus sign, 4 is having plus sign, different signs. So what we will have to do? We will have to subtract smaller number from bigger, correct? And then we will have to give the sign of bigger number to the answer. So this rule we have seen in our previous video. You have to remember this rule always. So here when two signs come close to each other, what we will have to do, we will have to combine this sign, minus minus will become plus, and then what we will have to do, when two numbers are having different sign, we will subtract small number from bigger one. So 9 minus 4, answer is 5, and we will give sign of bigger number to the answer. So answer sign will be minus sign because bigger number is 9. So answer sign will be minus sign. In this way, if you remember the sum, it will become easy to solve. Now let us see second sum also we will solve in this way. It is minus 4 minus minus 9. I will be showing here minus 4 minus minus 9. So when two signs come close to each other, we will combine them and we will make one single sign. So minus 4 as it is I write, minus minus will become plus, and then 9. Now see children, both the numbers are having different sign. Different sign means we have to subtract smaller number from bigger one, and we have to give the sign of bigger number to the answer. So 9 is bigger number, we have to subtract 4 from 9. 9 minus 4, answer is 5, and sign of bigger number to the answer is plus 5. So in this way here we have got plus 5. Same method we can apply to solve these sums. Let us see, this is plus 9 minus plus 4. I have written the sum here. Plus 9 minus plus 4. So plus 9 as it is I write. First number we have to write as it is. In first number you should not make any change. For writing second number, we have to combine these two signs and we have to make one sign. So minus plus will become minus. Minus minus becomes plus, but minus plus will become minus, and then we have to write this 4. So 9 is having plus sign, 4 is having minus sign, different sign. We have to subtract smaller number from bigger, and we have to give the sign of bigger number to the answer. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and sign of bigger number is plus 5. In this way we get the answer here plus 5. Now let us see this last sum, plus 9 minus minus 4. Here I will write plus 9 minus minus 4. So again first number we write as it is plus 9, and then minus minus combine, it will become plus. Minus minus combine, make one sign, single sign, it becomes plus 9. 9 minus minus plus, and this 4 as it is. Now both the numbers are having same sign. When same sign are there, what we should do? Same sign, we have to add the numbers and give the same common sign to the answer. That is the rule which we have seen last time. So 9 plus 4, answer is 13, and common sign to the answer. So in this way we get plus 13 as the answer. So when same sign, what we do? Same sign, what we do? Add the numbers and give common sign to the answer. In this way we solve the sums, correct? So when two signs come close to each other, combine those two signs and make one single sign. So when there is minus minus, these two signs come close to each other, the sign will become plus. Okay, when plus plus, same sign again, same sign, the sign, combined sign, single sign will become plus. Then minus plus is there, minus plus, combined sign and single sign will become minus. Plus minus, combine the sign and it becomes minus. That means different sign, combined sign, single sign will become minus. And when same signs are there, combined sign will become plus. In this way you have to remember. So it will become very easy to solve the questions from practice set 8. Okay, so let us solve these questions from practice set 8 now. Now let us start to solve practice set 8. So practice set 8 question is subtract the numbers in the top row from the numbers in the first column and write the proper number in each empty box. That means we will have to subtract these top numbers from the numbers in the first column. From these numbers we will have to subtract these numbers, and we will have to write the answers in here in the boxes given here. So let us see. We have just seen the rule of subtraction. I have shown you the other method also, and then we will be following the method to solve these sums. As you all can see, I have written the question as it is on my page. Now I will be solving the sums. First there is 3 minus 6. So here it is done. 3 minus 6. 3 is having plus sign. 6 is having minus sign. So different sign, we will have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one. Bigger one is 6, smaller one is 3. 6 minus 3, answer is 3. And sign should be given of bigger number, that is minus. So answer is minus 3. In this way we will have to solve the sums. Now let us see this second one. 3 minus 9. Correct. 3 minus 9. For this we will have to remember the rules which we have learned before for solving the sums from practice set 5. Okay, so same rule we are going to apply here. Now see, 3 is having plus sign, 9 is having minus sign. That means what? 3 doesn't have any sign means always plus sign is there. When number doesn't have any sign means always plus sign. Always keep this in mind. So 3 is having plus sign, 9 is having minus sign, two different sign. That means what? We will have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number. We will be subtracting this 3 from 9. 9 minus 3. Correct? And the answer we will be writing here. 9 minus 3. Answer is 6. And which sign should be given to the answer? Sign of bigger number should be given to the answer. Bigger number is 9 and sign of 9 is minus. Sign of the number is written in front of that number. In front of 9, minus sign is written. So sign of 9 is minus. In front of 3 there is no sign. That means sign of 3 is plus. Always keep this in mind. So we always give the sign of bigger number to the answer. So answer is minus 6. Now let us go on the next sum. It is 3 minus. What is the number given to us? Minus 4. So we write inside the bracket. 3 minus minus 4. In this way we will be writing the number inside the bracket. Now see children, two signs are coming close to each other. And I have explained you, when two signs are close to each other, we have to combine those two signs and make the simple single sign. So when minus minus is there, combine and sign will become plus. So here what we will do, first number 3 as it is I write, minus minus will become plus, and then write this 4. And it becomes easy now. 3 plus 4 we all know answer is 7. Plus 7. Correct? Common sign we will be giving. So in this way also you can solve the sum. Now let us see next sum. 3 minus, from 3 which number we have to subtract? 5. So, minus 5. 3 minus minus 5. Again two signs are coming close to each other. So what should be done? We will be writing single sign in place of these two signs. So first 3 as it is I write, minus minus will become plus. This 5 as it is, 3 plus 5, simple sum. Answer is 8. I hope you all are understanding children. Now next we have to subtract 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. You all know when 0 is subtracted from any number, we get answer that number. So 3 minus 0, answer is 3. 4 minus 0, answer is 4. 10 minus 0, answer is 10. We all know that. Now next, this 3 minus plus 7. 3 minus plus 7. Two signs coming close to each other. We will combine these two signs and we will make single sign. So first 3 as it is we write, minus plus, which will be the combined sign. See here, minus plus will become minus. So 3 minus 7. What will be the answer? 3 is having no sign means plus sign. 7 is having minus sign. Different sign. Different sign means we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one. 7 minus 3, answer is 4. And we have to give the sign of bigger number. Bigger number sign is minus. So we should give minus sign. In this way always remember this rule also. Rule also we have to remember always. Okay. So what is the rule? Different sign, subtract small number from bigger and sign of bigger number to the answer. This rule also should be remembered all the time. There should be this rule in your mind all the time. Okay. Now let us see the next one. This 3 minus minus 8. 3 minus minus 8. What will be the answer? Minus minus will become plus. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, simple sum. It is 11. Now next one. 3 minus minus 3. 3 minus minus 3. So this 3 as it is I write, minus minus become plus, and this 3 now write down 3 plus 3, answer is 6. Okay. So in this way we have to complete all these columns. So as you all can see, I have solved this second row according to first one. See, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 is having plus sign, 6 is having minus sign, different sign. Different sign means what? We have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one and we have to give the sign of bigger number. Otherwise you can remember it very simply that these types of sums you all have been solving from first standard. 8 minus 6 plus 2, you all know that the sign of bigger number should be given, but that you did not know in your first and second standard. Now you are knowing this, that the sign of bigger number should be given to the answer. So 8 minus 6, answer is 2. Very simple. Now this 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. 8 is having plus sign, 9 is having minus sign. Sign of the number is in front of that number. Sign of number is written in front of that number. When the number doesn't have any sign means always plus sign. So in front of 8 no sign means plus sign. In front of 9 minus sign. That means sign of 9 is minus. So two different sign. When the signs are different, what should be done? Different sign, subtract small number from bigger and sign of bigger number to the answer should be given. So 9 minus 8 we have to do, answer is 1 and bigger number sign. 9 is bigger, sign is minus, so answer should have minus sign. I hope you all are understanding, children. When two different sign, we have to subtract smaller number from bigger. We have to subtract 8 from 9, though it is written 8 minus 9. But while writing answer, what should be done? We have to subtract 8 from 9. We have to do it like this, 9 minus 8. Okay. And 9 minus 8, answer is 1, and then give the sign of bigger number. Sign of bigger number is minus, and that's why answer should have minus sign. In this way you have to remember. Now let us see next one. 8 minus minus 4. 8 minus minus 4. Two signs coming close to each other. We have to combine the sign and make the simple sign. Minus minus becomes plus. Okay. So here we have to write minus minus plus. 8 as it is, 4 as it is, minus minus plus. 8 plus 4 we all know 12. Very simple. Now 8 minus minus 5. 8 minus minus 5, answer is given 13. So 8 minus minus 5, how 13 comes? Because minus minus becomes plus. Simple single sign we have to put. We have to combine these two signs and we have to put single sign. So minus minus plus. 8 plus 5 we all know 13. Now next one, 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 means what? Plus 8. 0 subtracted from any number, answer is that number. Okay. Now next one, 8 minus plus 7. 8 minus plus 7, that means what? Minus minus become plus. Sorry, minus plus becomes minus. Here it is minus and here it is plus. So minus plus becomes minus. combine the sign and write one single sign. So minus plus will become minus. So in this way we have to write minus sign. 8 minus 7 we all know 1. Correct. Now minus minus plus. 8 as it is, 8 as it is, minus minus plus, it is 16. We have done 8 minus minus 8. 8 minus minus 8. That means 8 plus 8. Answer is 16. Then 8 minus minus 3. 8 minus minus 3. That means minus minus becomes plus. 8 plus 3. Answer is 11. Okay. Now let us go on next column. Here we have done minus 3 minus 6. This minus 3 as it is we have to write, and we have to subtract this 6 from minus 3. Minus minus, both numbers are having same sign. When same sign is there, what should be done? Same sign, add the numbers, give common sign to the answer. So same sign, that means we will have to add the numbers. 3 plus 6, answer is 9, and give common sign. Both numbers are having minus sign, so give common sign to the answer. Common sign means both numbers sign. Both number sign is minus, and that's why answer should also have minus sign. Answer is minus 9. Now let us see minus 3 minus this 9. Again same sign, that means we will have to add the numbers. 3 plus 9, answer is 12, and we have to give common sign to the answer. Common sign is minus sign. Now minus 3 minus this minus 4. Minus 4 is there, we will put inside the bracket. Because two signs coming close, so we have to put the number inside the bracket with that sign. Now this minus 3 as it is, I am writing minus minus plus 4. Different sign, we will have to subtract the smaller number from bigger. 4 minus 3, answer is 1. And answer should have the sign of bigger number. Bigger number sign is plus, so answer will be having plus sign. Plus 1. Now minus 3 minus minus 5. Minus 3 minus minus 5. Again combine the sign. Minus 3 plus 5. One number is having minus sign, another number is having plus sign. So different sign, that means subtract the smaller number from bigger one. 5 minus 3, answer is 2. And answer will have the sign of bigger number, that means plus sign. If you don't put the sign also, it is okay. Minus 3 minus 0. Minus 3 minus 0. 0 subtracted from any number, answer is that number. Minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 0 means minus 3. Now, minus 3 minus plus 7. So, minus 3 as it is, I write. Minus plus will become minus. Combine the sign and write single sign. Minus plus minus, and this 7 as it is. Both numbers are having same sign. Minus minus sign. Same sign means what? We will have to add the numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10, and give common sign to the answer. Common sign means minus sign. Okay. Then minus 3 minus this minus 8. This minus 3 as it is, I am going to write minus minus sign is 8. Sign is plus. Minus minus sign is plus. This 8 as it is, we write different sign. That means we have to subtract smaller number from bigger one. 8 minus 3, 5. And sign should be the sign of bigger number. Bigger number sign is plus, so answer will have plus sign. Now last one, minus 3 minus minus 3. Minus 3 minus minus 3. This first minus 3 as it is, I write minus minus will become plus, and this 3 as it is. Now two different sign, that means we will have to subtract. Now both the numbers are same number. That means what? 3 minus 3. No bigger number, no smaller number. When two opposite numbers are added, what is the answer? We have seen in our last video, answer is always 0. Two opposite numbers, minus 3 and plus 3 are opposite numbers. When we add them, answer we get 0. Okay. Now let us go on the last column. See last column. Minus 2 minus 6. Okay. This minus 2 and this minus 6. Same sign, that means we will have to add the numbers. 2 plus 6, answer is 8. And common sign should be given to the answer. Answer is minus 8. Okay. Now minus 2 minus this 9. Same sign, that means we will have to add the numbers. 2 plus 9 is 11. Common sign should be given to the answer. Common sign is minus. Both the numbers are having minus sign, means common sign is minus. Now this minus 2 minus this minus 4. Two signs are coming close, so we write minus 4 inside the bracket. This minus 2 as it is I write, minus minus plus. This 4 as it is I write. Different sign, I subtract smaller number from bigger. 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Sign of bigger number to the answer. Bigger number is 4, 4 sign is plus, so answer will have plus sign. Next one, minus 2 minus this minus 5. Two signs are coming close, so minus 5 is written in the bracket. Minus 2 as it is I write, minus minus become plus 5. Different sign, that means I have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one. 5 minus 2, 3. And sign of bigger number is plus, so answer should have plus sign. Plus 3 is the answer. Minus 2 minus this 0. Minus 2 minus 0 is, answer is minus 2. Okay. Now next one, minus 2 minus this plus 7. Plus 7 I write inside the bracket because two signs are coming close. So second number should be written inside the bracket. This minus 2 as it is I write, minus plus become minus. Combine the sign and write one sign. This 7 as it is I write. Same sign, common sign. That means we will have to add the number. 7 plus 2 is 9. And give common sign to the answer. Answer is minus 9. Then minus 2 minus this minus 8. Minus 2 as it is I write, minus minus become plus 8. Correct? Different sign, that means we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one. 8 minus 2, answer is 6. Answer should have the sign of bigger number. Bigger number 8. 8 sign is plus, so answer will have plus sign. Answer is plus 6. Now last one. Minus 2 minus this minus 3. We write in the bracket. Minus 2 as it is. Minus minus become plus. This 3. 2 is having minus sign. 3 is having plus sign. That means different sign. Different sign means we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger one. 3 minus 2. Answer is 1. Answer should have the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 3. 3 sign is plus. So answer will have plus sign. Answer is plus 1. In this way, you can complete this full table, full chart given in practice set 8. Always follow the rule for solving the sums. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.